friends, it's Kelsey from Frankly Natural Beauty with
Kathy. I'm her mom, and today we're gonna make a new soap inspired by the ocean again. It's gonna be our second one, and it's gonna be the last one for now. And it's actually a sea turtle soap because I love sea turtles, and I want to show you guys how much I love them. Okay, so we're gonna go and start this beautiful new soap.
Let's Get Soaping!
Hello everyone, this is Kathy, and today we're making this cute soap. It's a turtle soap, and I'm gonna show you what I'm using. I'm using those cute little turtles that I made today, and they're like a lighter green, like a lighter green gray and a darker green gray. I made them, with melt and pour soap because I didn't have time to do the art process, but they turned out really cute. So I'm going to use this for embeds on top for our turtle soap. Then here I have my usual blend that is palm oil, coconut oil, olive oil, shea butter, and what else do we use? Castor oil. Okay, thank you, Kelsey. We changed the recipe a little bit because this is so cool. We like to feel this soap, and we're putting a little bit of ground up oatmeal here for beautiful, for skin, for soothing, beautiful skin. If you have like problems with your skin, oatmeal is the greatest thing you can have. And then I'm going to put, like I did last time, I'm going to put, you remember what this is? This is coconut milk. Really nice and thick, luxurious coconut milk. Very nice. And I'm using, for the seawater, this time I'm using the Almost Ice Mica from Rustic Essentials that I mixed over there with oil, and Aqua Pearl Mica from Brambleberry. And I mixed this one. This one over here is just the mica, the Aqua Pearl Mica. And this one is mixed with, oops, sorry about the noise here. This one is mixed with both, okay? So it's a little bit like a greenish kind of thing. And of course I'm going to have the foam and the sand. And this time I want to make the sand with beet powder. And here you go. It looks kind of red now, but I used it before. And it actually turns kind of like a sand color, like a brownish sand color with little pebbles in it. That's what it looks like. That's why I want to do this tonight. It would be cool. Alright, so let's get going here. But before we do, I forgot one more thing. We'll be using the Sea Salt Seascape Collection fragrance oil from Brambleberry tonight. And Kelsey, would you tell everybody what this smells like?
Okay, so this unique fragrance oil smells kind of like the ocean and the beach. It has a beachy pina colada sort of scent mixed with a sea salt scent and an ocean scent.
Alright, so I think it smells just like when you go, seriously, when you go on a walk on the beach and you smell the sea water. It's just like that. Alright, so I'm going to be plugging in my blender here, and we're going to start mixing this beautiful soap, and we'll see what it is, what it's going to be. Okay, first of all, what I'm going to do, I am going to use my oatmeal first. Just a little bit, not a lot. Just a little bit of oatmeal. I'm going to blend it with the oils first, because that's why I like it. I think it's great before I do the lye. Okay, so now I'm actually going to do the lye. I'm going to put the lye in here. Slowly. And we're soaping at 79, 80 degrees temperature today, because I want it to be a little fluid, but not too fluid, but pretty good there. Okay, and now after I blended everything with the lye and everything, I'm going to put my coconut milk in here. It's gonna make the soap really beautiful, luxurious feeling. We have a sound that we make before what we're using right now, and it's fantastic. I love it. That's why I'm using it. I really love this stuff. Alright, so I'm going to blend this in, and I'll see you in a second. Okay, so now I'm going to split the water that I have over here in 3 different colors. The sand, the 2 different water colors, and I'm going to have some little white because for the foam, and that's it. So, and I'm going to do that, and I'll see you guys in a few minutes here. Okay, so I mixed my colors, and I didn't want to film them because you guys seen me doing that before, so you know what I do. I just put the colors in there, the micas in there, or whatever I have. So this one over here is the beet powder, and you see it was red. See how yellow it became? It became really yellow, but you know what? It's gonna get kind of brown when you put it in there. I know, because that's what happened with my other soap. It became really brown, and I like it because it has a little tiny pebbles in there. It looks like it, but they're not. They're just it's just the nature of the beet there. Okay, so now I'm gonna get my molds, and I am gonna pour in there. Okay, so let's get our molds, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to be pouring the sand first in this one over here, in my 2-pound mold. Here. Kind of like what we did last time. But this is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to try to make a little wave inside. We'll see if it's going to, sorry about the shaking. I'm going to be doing this. Shaking, shaker. Okay, sorry about that. And I'm gonna put another one here. This is gonna be my sample mold. I may wanna use more on this one because this is kind of weird, but it holds more than that one. It's kind of interesting because it looks smaller, but it's thin and tall. So I'm gonna have the sand set a little bit for about maybe 5 minutes or so, and I'm gonna tackle the other 2, and we're gonna do the wave. Okay? All right. I'll see you in a little bit. Okay. So it's kind of thick, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it, and I hope it's gonna be okay. It's very thick. So some of the water is going to be thick water. It's kind of thick water, huh?
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to put some of the white in here because I want to do like a little bit of foamy stuff going inside here. Like I did the last time, but this time I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'll show you guys. The fun part. I'm going to use this really cool handy tool, and it's a swirling tool. Okay, so I'm going to put it right in here, like this and like this. Try to make an underwater wave. Oh, I think I went to sand. Oh well, it went under the sand too. Well, that's alright. No problem. Okay. Well, that's the one. Now I'm going to do this one too. Okay, so I think I'm done with the waves here. I don't want to overdo it. But anyway, everybody's doing like questions now on Instagram, on YouTube, like questions of the day or whatever, something like that. I think we want to do fact of the day. And because we're working with the ocean here, did you guys know that in Italy, in Calabria especially, and I think all over the coast there, we have turtles too. And they're called the caretta. They're little tiny, well, they're not very tiny turtles. They're, not as big as the one you guys have in Hawaii, in America, but they are pretty big. They grow to a pretty good size. So that's the fact of the day. If you didn't know, there are turtles in Italy too. If you guys want to go check it out, where they are, you're going to be surprised. Nobody thinks about, Italy about that kind of stuff, but in fact, the beautiful beaches in Italy are really beautiful. Okay, so now I'm going to put the little turtles in there. I'm going to do one here. They're going to be pretty close together. This works. That's better than the one I have. Oh yes it is. Ooh, this is cool. Uh-oh. And again I'm putting more glitter. I was supposed to. Oh my god, put too much glitter. Glitter soap again. Okay. I think just in the middle and on the shells. A little bit on the little turtles, because they're fancy turtles. They have glitter. Fancy glitter turtle. What do you think, Kelsey?
That's cute.
Nice, huh? Well, I'm touching stuff with my bare hands. I'm supposed not to. Oh, good. Okay, so now we're gonna spray it with our alcohol. But this is what they look like, very close, up close. And we're gonna wait about 3 days to mold this beautiful soap, and we're gonna see what it looks like inside, and we're gonna have fun cutting. Alright, see you in 3 days. Bye bye. Alright everybody, here we are back after about 3 days, and our soap is ready to be cut. Alright, so let's find out what's in here. Let's see how I did this time. This is the first cut. The moment of truth. Alright, let's find out. Oh, that looks kind of cool. What do you think, Elsie?
Looks great.
Can you see it? Alright, awesome. Collecting a little waves underneath. And so I think we're not going to do any more ocean soaps right now, because summer here in the Northwest, it's almost over, August the last month, but I don't know, maybe we'll do one more. We're not sure. We're thinking about not, but we can change our minds. So let's find out what the other one looks like. Okay, and there we go there. And the little wave thing. Doesn't this look cute? Can you see it really well? Alright. So I'm just gonna keep cutting here, and so you guys can see all the different beautiful waves. Alright, there you go. Here they are. Our little turtle soaps. Okay, so if you guys liked this video, please give us thumbs up. And please subscribe, because we want to make more video. We don't want YouTube to take us down. We want you guys to subscribe. Tell your friends and family, everybody, how you liked it, and share it with everybody, please. And if you would like to purchase one of those bars over here, this soap is going to be ready by the end of August. We'll let you know for sure if you follow us on Instagram and also on our Facebook page. We actually post everything there when our soaps are going to be ready to go on our Etsy shop. So go ahead and also like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we'll see you later for the next video. Thank you very much. This is Kathy and
Kelsey
from Franklin Natural Beauty, and thank you so much for supporting us by watching our videos. Thank you. See you later.